Cooking oils are an essential part of many of our dishes, enhancing flavor, texture, and aroma. Whether you are frying, stir-frying, or drizzling some over a salad, oils play a vital role in elevating the taste of food. However, did you know that the way you use oils in your cooking can have serious health consequences? Using the wrong type of oil for certain cooking methods can trigger a range of health issues, including heart attacks, dementia, and even cancer. In this video, we're diving into the potentially harmful effects of cooking oils, how to choose the right one for specific uses, and the healthiest ways to incorporate them into your diet to prevent serious health conditions like dementia. As people become more health conscious, many are turning to plant-based oils due to their beneficial content of unsaturated fats. These oils are often considered healthier alternatives to animal fats, and their inclusion in a balanced diet is linked to improved cardiovascular health, reduced cholesterol levels, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Common plant-based oils include olive oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, sesame oil, and perilla oil. They are praised for their high content of essential fatty acids and antioxidants, which are known to support the body's overall health. But despite the many benefits of these oils, there is a crucial factor to consider when using them: the smoke point. The smoke point refers to the temperature at which an oil starts to break down and produce visible smoke. Understanding the smoke point of each oil is essential to ensure you're cooking safely and preserving the nutritional value of your food. When oils are heated beyond their smoke point, they not only lose their beneficial properties, but they can also release harmful compounds that can be detrimental to your health. Let's explore the dangers of overheating oils, two of the most harmful substances produced during this process, and how to avoid them. The dangers of overheating oils. When oils are heated to high temperatures, they undergo a series of chemical transformations that can create toxic substances. Two of the most concerning byproducts are pyrene and acrylamide. Let's take a closer look at each of them and understand their impact on health. 1. Pyrene, the silent carcinogen. One of the most dangerous substances that can form when oils are overheated is pyrene. This compound is classified by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning it is known to cause cancer in humans. This substance is not only present in overheated oils but also in tobacco smoke, asbestos, arsenic, and even tar. When consumed, pyrene can cause significant damage to the body. Some of the harmful effects of pyrene include damage to red blood cells. This can lead to a weakened immune system and a higher susceptibility to infections. Narrowing of blood vessels in the brain. This can increase the risk of stroke or other cardiovascular diseases. Impaired reproductive function. Prolonged exposure to pyrene has been shown to affect fertility. Increased cancer risk. As a potent carcinogen, pyrene increases the risk of developing various forms of cancer. Given these severe risks, it's clear why it is crucial to monitor the heat levels when using oils, especially during high-heat cooking methods like frying and stir-frying. 2. Acrylamide, the neurological threat. Another dangerous compound that can form in oils when they are exposed to high temperatures is acrylamide. Acrylamide is primarily created when starchy foods or foods containing amino acids are exposed to heat, such as during frying or roasting. It's not only a concern for food manufacturers but also for home cooks using high heat to prepare their meals. Acrylamide is a neurotoxin, meaning it has the potential to damage the nervous system. It can affect nerve cells, causing symptoms such as weakness and numbness, long-term cognitive impairments, neurological disorders. Additionally, excessive exposure to acrylamide has been linked to an increased risk of cancer, making it yet another substance we need to be cautious of when using oils in our cooking. Choosing the right oil for cooking. The best way to avoid the formation of these harmful compounds is to select the right oil for the right cooking method. Here's a breakdown of how different oils perform under various cooking conditions. 1. Oils for high heat cooking, deep frying. Deep frying requires oils that can withstand high temperatures without breaking down. These oils should have a high smoke point above 210 C, 410 F, so they can handle the sustained heat of deep frying. Some of the best oils for deep frying include soybean oil, with a smoke point of around 220 C, 428F, it's one of the most commonly used oils in deep frying. It has a neutral flavor and is widely available. Grapeseed oil, with a smoke point of 216C, 421F, grapeseed oil is another excellent choice for deep frying. It has a mild flavor that doesn't overpower the food. Canola oil has a smoke point of around 230C, 446F, making it ideal for high-heat cooking methods like deep frying. Sunflower oil, this oil has a smoke point of around 230C, 446F, making it a great option for frying and cooking at high temperatures. These oils can withstand the intense heat without breaking down into harmful compounds, preserving both the taste and the health benefits of your food. 2. Oils for medium heat cooking, stir frying. Stir frying is a popular cooking method that uses high heat but for a shorter period of time. The ideal oils for stir frying have a smoke point of at least 190C, 374F. Some oils that perform well at this temperature include soybean oil, great for stir frying due to its high smoke point and neutral flavor. Canola oil, with its high smoke point and mild flavor, it's perfect for stir frying. Refined olive oil, unlike extra virgin olive oil, refined olive oil has a higher smoke point of around 240C, 464F, making it suitable for stir frying. 3. Oils for low heat cooking, dressings, and seasoning. If you're making a dressing or seasoning a dish, it's best to use oils that preserve their original flavors and nutrients. These oils typically have a lower smoke point, making them unsuitable for high heat cooking but perfect for cold preparations. Some oils to use for dressings and seasonings include perilla oil, known for its rich, nutty flavor. Perilla oil is perfect for salads or as a seasoning. It has a smoke point of around 170-180C, 338-356F, so it should not be used for high heat cooking. Sesame oil is another great option for seasonings, offering a distinct aroma that enhances dishes. It has a smoke point of around 170-180C, 338-356F. Extra virgin olive oil, while it has a relatively low smoke point of around 160C, 320F, extra virgin olive oil is ideal for dressings and drizzling over dishes for its unique flavor and antioxidants. It's important to note that while perilla oil is excellent for seasoning, it's also known for its potential brain health benefits. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, perilla oil can help prevent the formation of beta amyloid, a protein that contributes to dementia. Consuming 1 spoonful of perilla oil before bed can support brain health and potentially reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Final thoughts: using oils for optimal health. In summary, while plant-based oils offer numerous health benefits, it's crucial to use them correctly to avoid the formation of harmful compounds. Understanding the smoke point of each oil and selecting the right one for the appropriate cooking method can help preserve both the nutritional value of your food and your health. When it comes to preventing serious health issues like dementia and cardiovascular diseases, the way we use oils matters. By choosing the right oil for each cooking method and being mindful of the temperature at which we heat them, we can enjoy the full benefits of these oils while minimizing the risk of harmful chemical reactions. If you're looking to improve your brain health and reduce the risk of dementia, incorporating oils like perilla oil into your diet, especially before bed, can provide significant benefits. Just remember, always check the smoke point of the oil you're using, and avoid overheating it to ensure you're making the healthiest choice for you and your family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Stay tuned for more health tips and be sure to incorporate these essential oil tips into your daily routine for better overall well-being. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy.